Good morning, everybody. It is 8:24. Thank you guys for all the awesome comments. Yeah, I don't let a lot of comments get to me. Pretty much a lot of comments don't get to me. My favorite thing is delete, but there are just some people that just do something that just gets to me. But you know what? I do let it go. I sometimes just cry about it, have to vent, and I'm done and over it. But yeah, yesterday I didn't ruin my day. I didn't have a bad day at all. I felt like I actually had a successful day. So I've been working on my cup a little bit more. I realized that I need more jewels. So I'm just making a list right now. And then I'm going to order probably some within the next couple of days because I got to get some more. And plus I want to get some stuff to make Halloween cups. So I'm pretty excited with that. I don't even know what the weather's gonna be like today. And and if you guys watch my Office Depot video, I showed a deal where you guys can get free batteries, but they want like 25 bucks for batteries. I think that's a really ridiculous deal. Well, I had $29 of rewards that I got from like 3 months ago, and I used those rewards for this purchase, and I actually did not get my full money back. It gives you only what you did not pay with rewards. In the past, I rolled them all the time, but this time I didn't get it, which is still fine. I got $26 back on $50 batteries, and I only had to pay that much money out of pocket. I think, for me, I think that's fine, because I think Office Max, Office Depot is kind of a ripoff on certain things. They used to have really good deals, and their school supplies are decent stuff, but you know, I'll take it, because that $26, if I have to, I can buy school supplies with it. So that is what's going on. I don't know what happened, you guys, but I have like bug bites all over my feet. I don't know what the heck happened, but like I got all these bug bites. I was itching them like crazy yesterday. So either I got bit by bugs when I was walking in the grass or something. I was taking pictures or something in the grass. I don't know. It is currently 58 degrees outside. Wow, that is actually cold for summer. Let's see what today brings us. 71, 20% of possible rain. It's going to be in the 70s all week. I will take it, because that means we can keep our windows open. So it is 8:28. Ben somehow woke up before 7 o'clock this morning. I have no idea what he did when he woke up. Thankfully we got him trained where if he just wakes up, he can go downstairs and just watch TV. So he's got that going on. I watched this family called Sam and Nia. I don't know if any of you guys watch them. It's a vlogging channel. They used to have like over 3 million subscribers, and they used to do really well in the past, but they don't get as much views as they used to. I've kind of watched it on and off, but for probably the last 9 months, maybe to a year, I've been watching them. I usually watch them every single night when they post a video, but I'm just kind of behind, because I've been just kind of stopped watching their videos when I go to sleep, because I've been just tired, so I just watch the ASMR videos. But I do want to let you guys know that my living room, like, it's not as perfect as what it was 2 days ago, but it is actually pretty clean. I kept up on Graham, like, you know, you got to do this, you got to do this. So I feel good that, you know, it's pretty decent. But yeah, I was working on the cup. It's about a third done. So, I mean, I can show you guys what it looks like. But I also have to go to Menards today to get something for my Etsy thing, because I sold something. So I gotta find that, and I gotta find a box to mail something. But I feel like it's getting there. It's getting there. So, and then I totally realized when I ordered, I'm making my friend a cup, but she's in no hurry for me to finish it. I need like tiny little jewels for her name, and around her name, and didn't even realize that I didn't have them. So I gotta add that to my order. So yes, but otherwise I don't know what else is going on today besides us running to town to go get. I need some pipe insulation, and then I gotta make something. But yeah, I'm just trying to think of what else I could, you know, do today. I might work on the basement a little bit more. I do feel pretty good what I got done yesterday. It might not seem like it, but I feel pretty good. Ben has this little jungle gym that he got when he was a little baby, and it's it's like a little, you know, with a slide. And I think when Graham goes to work, possibly, and Charlotte's taking a nap, I think Ben and I were gonna dig it out and build it for Charlotte so she can go down the slide, so then I can put some more stuff away underneath the steps. So I think that's what we're gonna do.
What does it look like?
That little jungle gym thing that you had, it had a slide that you crawled on and then you went down the slide. I think we might get that for Charlotte, plus the little plus the car we can get out. No, I don't know if it was in your bedroom ever. So that's what's going on.
No.
I'm gonna catch you guys back in a little bit when I have more stuff to do. This curl. It is currently 1:04. Graham left for work about an hour ago. Charlotte took a nap about an hour ago. So she'll be waking up between now and another hour. And then I'm just gonna try to skip her second nap tonight, which is totally fine. But Ben and I are just hanging. I'm working on my cup. And then it is cold outside, you guys. Like, I don't know if this tells us what the weather is. It's cold. Like, I might have to wear a jacket today. It's cold. Like, I mean, this is Wisconsin, but like, we have the weirdest weather, but I don't know. But I want to actually finish this, you guys. Like, I have just this much left. And so I'm going to finish. This is my goal today, is finish that and then work on another cup. So I got to work on that, and then when Charlotte gets up, we're gonna leave right away so I can go to Menards and get my pipe insulation so we can get that. I got clothes I gotta wash. But yeah, I just want to get some stuff at Menards, some pipe insulation, so I have it. And yeah, I'm just ready to get some stuff, and then I gotta find a box. So I don't know, I gotta check out Menards, or I gotta see what box we have. Oh, and I gotta go pick up my Office Depot order. So yes, looking for that. But otherwise, yeah, I got nothing else really going on. But yeah, I will catch you guys back in a little bit. I'm letting the dishes dry out. Oh, and I did dig out that stuff that I told you about. I dug out the play area, but then there were screws that we have, and Graham's like, oh, I don't know where the screws are. I'm like, when you took it apart, you should have taped the screws to the thing. He's like, well, you're the one who took it apart. I'm like, no, I didn't, because I'm the one who uses my brain when I take things apart. I'll put the screws to something, you know, next to it. So it's sitting outside. He told me to bring it inside, but I says, nope. He was being a jerk to me this morning because I was yelling at him because he lost the screws, so he just walked away. So I just left it outside because I don't give a crap. He's like, oh, you're just playing me. You're just playing this tough girl thing. And I'm like, I just don't care anymore. But then my mom got Ben this little like police car, one of those little type cars, when he was younger, and then, you know, eventually he kind of grew out of it. So I just dug it out. It was full of mold, probably because of the flooding, so I just completely wiped it down, cleaned it up. So we took Charlotte in that for a while, but guess what? I went underneath the stairs and I actually pretty much didn't lose, I don't think I lost any paper products. I had one box that the water probably touched besides my Christmas tree, and those are just old VHS tapes. So I don't think any of my stuff got ruined. But I did go underneath. I found all my Barbies. I found all my Little Ponies. But I still didn't find the rest of my books that I'm looking for. They might be upstairs in Charlotte's room because there is a box of books. But I think I'm going to call my mom right now, and I'll catch you guys back when I get more stuff done. So we had fun hanging out in the driveway. I got the car, so Charlotte just rolls down it, and then I like sweep around and get her. But you guys, guess what? I ordered boxes for the stuff that I'm making on my Etsy, and you know, it's Prime, Amazon Prime. Well, it's not supposed to get here till Monday. So I had to go, thankfully I had to go to Office Depot and pick up my batteries, but I had to tape 2 boxes together, and then I have my own customized stickers so people know that they're getting it. So it's not the greatest packaging, but for my first, actually that's my second sale. My first cup, I am still working on it, but I did get my batteries, you guys. I got my $50 worth of batteries. But yeah, I think I mentioned that you only get, if you do, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. But then I also got this badge reel. These were on sale for $1.99, and I'm thinking of blinging these out. I don't know. Let me know. I'm gonna see how these sell, and we'll see how they go. Because if they do sell pretty well, I'd probably go get a bunch of them, but I just want to see how well they did. And then I did work in the basement for about 15 minutes with the kids down there. So I threw some stuff away, I donated some stuff, I put some stuff away, I put some stuff on the shelves. So if I can just try to push myself to do a little bit by a little bit, everything will be just grand. That's all sticky. So yeah, it's, I think I said it's like 8:50. I'm gonna be getting the kids ready for bed soon. But I don't know, I feel like I didn't get a lot of stuff done. The house is all messy again. I'm gonna have Ben help me pick up, but yeah, I'm just pretty excited to do this. I mean, what do you think? And then I'll be getting my dog bowls in the mail very soon in the next couple days, and then I have a couple other projects that I'm gonna be working on. So I'm pretty excited. I got pop sockets that I got to do, and then I also got to work on these so I can list that stuff. So getting there, but I think I'm going to work on the cup a little bit and then get the kids ready for bed. So sorry this video is not as long and exciting as you want it. Today is just a case of the Mondays. Charlotte's tired. We skipped our second nap. So are you tired? Yeah. So I'm going to get these kids ready for bed within the next half an hour. I'm going to work on my cup for a couple minutes. And I will see you guys all tomorrow. You guys have a nice night. See you guys later. Bye-bye.